HubSpot CRM tutorial guide for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tutorial of HubSpot CRM and how you can use it. Even if you're a beginner, this video is completely for you. So watch till end and let's get into the video. So first of all, this is the main platform of HubSpot.com and this is their website. And when you basically you go on and write it in the URL bar. So this is what you open up as HubSpot. So here you can see that you can get a demo of the whole platform if you want, if you are really confused about how you can start using and what it is all about, all the features and everything. So they offer a demo as well, and you can get started for free from this option right here. The platform looks really promising and it is a CRM form. So CRM is basically customer relationship management and software that's powerful. It's not overpowering. Seamlessly connect your data, teams and customers on one CRM platform that grows with your business. So this is their main guideline. This is their main motto. So they have a marketing hub, they have a sales hub, and they also have a service hub, and we're along with that they have a CMS hub and operations hub. So they have a lot of different features that you can use from, and we are just gonna get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to get started with the free version by clicking on this option, and I'm going to log in or sign up accordingly. I already have an account, so I'm gonna log in. The login process is very easy and the sign up process is easy as well. You can basically continue with your Google. Okay, so when you click on that, you get some kind of you get some options of the plan that you want to start with. So there is the first plan, which is the free version, and you don't have to pay any money for using that. It has free tools, it has foundational business tools, and you can just go on and create your free account from this. Then there's a starter plan, which is for essential. It has all the essential business tools. It starts at $50 per month and it includes automation. It has website personalization and calling directly from HubSpot. Then you have a professional plan, which is starts at a $400 per month and it doesn't require any credit card, and you can also have a free trial version of 14 days, and you can basically purchase the plan after that. And it includes advanced reporting on your campaigns. It has A/B testing to optimize your website, and it has automation. So I'm just gonna go with the free plan right now, and it includes free email marketing, free website and free CRM. So I'm just gonna tell you what they include in their free plan, and I'm going to give you a solution for your CRM which doesn't even require any money. So I'm just going to click on this option by creating my free account, and then I am going to continue. So what you can do is you can continue with Google or with Microsoft, or you can add in your email address and verify your email and do it like that as well. So I'm just going to continue with Google. After I'm completely logged in, I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so as I've told you guys that I already had an account, so now it is giving me option that I want to continue with this account that I have, or I want to create a new account. So I'm just going to create a new fresh account for you guys. So what industry am I in? First of all, I have to search the industry. Let's say I'm into in beauty or something. Okay, so let's say my industry is restaurants, or I sell food or something like that. So I'm just going to click on next. Then you have a job role. What is your job role? Let's say I am the CEO of my own company. So I'm just going to add that, then I'm going to click on continue. What is your company name? Let's say Foodies or something, anything. You can just add anything in here. I'm just going to add Foodies, and then how many people work at your company? It's a small scale home-based business. So I'm just going to say I have 6 to 10 employees right now. Okay, so what is my company's website? So you can enter a new website, like for example, www.foodies.co.com or something like that. Anything, like you have to add the authentic website of your own business that you are building HubSpot for. I'm just building it for the purpose of this video, so that's why I'm adding all these details like that. So I'm just going to click on next. Where would you like your data to be hosted? I want it to be hosted based on my location. It's US. I'm just going to click on continue. Okay, so it is preparing my account. This is basically how you can create an account on HubSpot, and then we are gonna continue to the platform, to the CRM platform. I'm gonna show you all the features that HubSpot holds. Okay, so which one of these sounds most like you? I have never used this CRM before. I'm new to HubSpot, and I'm just going to go with this one. What would you like to do with HubSpot first? I want to create a set of high-performing sales tools. Yes. Send marketing emails to potential customers. Track your deals in one space. Okay. Create a set of high-performing sales tools. You want to add your sales tools, or your first priority is send marketing emails to potential customers. So both involve CRM, and I'm just going to skip without picking a goal right now because I want to show you everything. I don't want to stick to something. and I don't want to focus on specifically one thing. So, which part of the CRM platform do you want to explore first? CMS, marketing, customer service, operation, sales. I want a general overview. Yes, that's what I want, and I'm going to continue. Okay, they are logging me in. I'm going to get back to you guys once I'm completely logged in. Okay, the first thing that you need to do on HubSpot is that you have to add in some kind of contacts of your business that are related, like your workers or your customers. These are the contacts that you must have on your HubSpot. So, let's say that you have to add some contacts with contacts in your CRM. Basically, there are two ways you can add contacts. You can add some contacts manually, or you can invite a teammate to add some contacts. Like, for example, I'll do this later and explore HubSpot without data. You can continue with this as well. So I'm just going to click on add some contact. I'm going to add a contact very easily. Import a spreadsheet. You have these options to import these contacts. You can sync from Google Contacts, import from MailChimp. Outlook Exchange is available. Sync from Zoho CRM or sync from Pipedrive. I don't have any kind of contacts right now, so I'm just going to go back and I'm going to invite a teammate to add some contacts, or you can I'll do this later. So after continuing on HubSpot. Okay, so here you can see that you have to, after adding some contacts, you have other tasks to set up CRM, Sales Hub free as well. You have to filter your contacts, connect your inbox, install the sales intentions, and set up your meeting links and customize your deal stages. So these are the tasks that you need to complete in order to completely continue with the HubSpot and to make it very functional. This is the sales hub that I'm showing you right now. Then you have a marketing hub right here. This is also into the CRM, and you have, after importing the contacts, you have to add the tracking code. You have to create an email list and create your first marketing email. So after that, you have your helpful information, and here you have your service hub free. You can see that you have a couple of options here as well. You can connect your team email to HubSpot, add a support from your website, add live chat to your website, and create a chat flow. So these are the 4 functions, and there are other tasks as well, but these are the ones that you need to fulfill, that you need to complete in order to make it functional. And you can also put your customers first with Service Hub free and open your slideshow to discover what your tools can do for you. Then you have your operations hub right here. In operations, you can basically build and make your operations. You can start an interactive demo. There is no manual data entry. There is two-way data sync and support for 25 plus apps. So operation hubs is designed to make your software do the hard work for you. You can basically integrate different kind of apps into your HubSpot, like Google, you have Outlook, you have MailChimp, you have Pipedrive, and you can continue by using them with your HubSpot as well. And it basically makes everything connected into one place. And then you have your CMS hub free, and here you have your contacts, as I've told you before. Then you have your conversations, you have your inbox, you have chat flows, snippets, and templates. Then you have your marketing, you have ads, emails, you have landing pages, you have website. You can basically create different kind of landing pages for your website. You can create email marketing. You can create email marketing is basically sending out emails and market your products through emails to your customers. So after adding all the contacts, you can create an email template, and you can send that email out to all of the customers that are added in your contact list on HubSpot. Then you have your social. For that, you need to basically upgrade your plan, but that is not included right now, and you don't need it as well right now too. So when you basically go on, when your business is established, you can continue and you can buy the upgraded version of this HubSpot, and you can have all of these features that are not available right now as well, like SEO. You have different design tools, and you can also create forms using HubSpot. In the sales, you have deals, you have forecasts, you have tasks, you have meetings, payments, playbooks. And in services, you have tickets, you have automation and reports, you have analytics tool. Here you are going to basically see whatever is happening on your CMS, on your HubSpot, and it is going to analyze all of the data that is incoming, and it basically will show you that how many problems are there, is there anything that you are currently working on, how the process is going, and everything that you need to know about the gist of your business is going to be here. Then you have your dashboards and your reports. Okay, so what are we gonna do now is I'm going into the sales, I'm going into the tasks, I'm gonna show you how you can basically build a new task on HubSpot. Okay, so here you can see that you can search a task from here, and you can add different assignees. There are different columns and there are different tasks. To add a new task, what you need to do is you need to click on this option which says create task. So you can also import the tasks from different other platforms, and you can also manage the queues from here as well. I'm going to click on this creation of the task from this option right here, and here you can see that another bot has opened up, and here I'm going to add in the title of the task. I'm just going to say it as the test task, and then I have to add the type of the task. Is it a to-do task, is it a call, or is it email? Let's say it is a to-do task, and that priority is right now none. I'm going to set it on high priority, medium priority, low priority. You can do that. I'm just going to set it on high. Now you have to associate it with records. What does this mean? Is basically you associate this task with any object. Like for example, I'm going to associate with search contacts. You can associate it with companies. You can associate it with deals or tickets. Like for example, if there's any deal like you have closed and earlier for any other employee or any other customer or whatever, and you have to basically associate this task, and this task is basically associated with that specific deal, so you can associate it by adding in the name of that record, by adding in the name of that deal from that option. Then you have to assign it to someone. I have assigned it to myself right now because there is no one else in my HubSpot right now, but when you will have contacts, you can assign it to anyone that you want. Then you have your due date, then you have your queue. First of all, so queue is basically a continuation of tasks. You have different tasks in the queues, and they have to be completed one by one in the line, and that is basically the queue. So you can create a new queue and you can add that specific task into that queue. Then you have your due date. I want it in 3 business days, and it will be Wednesday, from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday right now. And then you have the time of the completion of the task is 8 a.m. I want it completed by 8 a.m. on Wednesday. Then you have a set to repeat. No, I don't want to repeat it. Then you have your reminder. Do you want to set a reminder to the person at task due time 30 minutes before or 1 day before? So I have set a reminder of 1 day before. Whenever like it's due on Wednesday, on Tuesday that person will get a reminder. Then you have your notes. If you want to add some specific details or any kind of instructions in order to complete the task, you can add it into the notes, and then you can just click on this option which says create, and this task will be created into your sales tasks. And here you can see, you can basically go to the tasks and you can see the task right there. So every person that is assigned that task will be notified that a task has been added into their inbox. They will get an email, and then they can go on and continue by completion of that task in whatever they want. Then you have your insights, you have your feeds, your schedules. Here you have your marketplaces, you have your free trials. You can search anything into the whole HubSpot from this option right here. If you have any query, you can ask for help from this, and you have your settings right here. You can you basically go on and search for the settings. You can scroll through the settings and see if you want to change anything onto your HubSpot. It can be theme, it can be language, it can be anything else. So just go on and check those out as well. So this was a basic introduction of HubSpot. I hope it was a big help to you. I hope it was informative for you. If you have any queries, just comment them down, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.